Alba Botanica, very emollient, body lotion, coconut rescue, 32 ounces, 907 grams. Product overview description. Virgin coconut oil provides immediate relief for extremely dry, irritable skin. Hypo-allergenic, no parabens, phthalates or synthetic fragrances. 100% vegetarian ingredients, no animal testing. Leaping Bunny certified. Sun dry skin packing. When your skin gets to the point that it irritates you at every touch, it's time to smooth on the big kahuna and show discomfort the door. This rich, creamy lotion made with virgin, unrefined coconut oil, coconut milk and aloe vera instantly provides both moisture relief, a hearty dose of antioxidants and a jolt of caffeine-fueled rejuvenation. Intensely hydrating and hypoallergenic, it's exactly the rebound relationship your skin needs. Suggested use. Smooth over entire body after bathing and anytime skin feels thirsty. Give special attention to extra dry skin, elbows, knees and feet. Other ingredients. Aqua, water, cetyl alcohol, glycerin, glycerol stearate, helianthus annuus, sunflower, seed oil. Superscript 1, caprylic, capric triglyceride, beeswax. Superscript 1, butyrospermum parkii, shea, butter. Superscript 1, Carthamus tincturius, safflower, seed oil. Superscript 1, cocos nucifera, coconut, oil. Superscript 1, Prunus armeniaca, apricot, kernel oil. Superscript 1, aloe barbadensis leaf juice. Superscript 1, camellia sinensis leaf extract. Superscript 1, chamomilla recutita, matricaria, flower extract. Superscript 1, cocos nucifera, coconut, fruit juice, Coffea arabica, coffee, leaf, seed extract, Prunus armeniaca, apricot, fruit extract, tocopherol acetate, alcohol. Superscript 1, caffeine, citric acid, dextrose, maltodextrin, vanillin, xanthan gum, benzyl alcohol, potassium sorbate, sodium benzoate, anise alcohol, coumarin. Number: artificial colors, synthetic fragrances, parabens, phthalates, or harsh sulfates. Superscript 1, certified organic ingredient. Warnings. Caution, for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.